Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can hide your online status or your active status on Discord. Okay, let's get into it guys. First, you're going to open up your Discord application on your PC or on your mobile phone. And here I have opened the Discord from my PC. And if we want to hide our online status, we're going to select our profile. On your phone, you can choose your profile right here as well, and then you're going to select this online status. Now I'm online and I'm going to hide it. You're going to choose do not disturb or invisible if you want to hide your online status, and I'm going to choose invisible. And here you can select the duration when you want to turn off the online status. I'm going to choose for forever. Okay. And then now the online status has been hidden. Even though I'm online, my friends on Discord will not know. If you want to turn it off, just go back to this menu and you're going to select online. Okay, just like that. Okay, guys, and that's how you can hide your online status on Discord. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.